They've dubbed it The Rise of the Nerds, a show that uses comedy to convince school kids that maths can be cool. After a successful run in Britain, it's come to Sydney in a bid to inspire more young people to choose maths and science. Anne Barker reports.
The words maths and fun don't usually go together, but a group of maths teachers and academics has found a way to change that.
1,000? I'm not auctioning something off.
These days, Matt Parker calls himself a stand-up mathematician with a comedy routine targeting school kids.
And I want you to decide which strategy you would adopt.
Covering everything from game theory to traffic jams, they're teaching kids the maths of everyday life.
At one point we will take one of their phones and we can put it under a microscope and we can show them the mathematics that makes the screen work.
For some it was an excuse to avoid class. For others it might have done the trick.
I thought maths was only for the classroom. Now I see it can be used for almost anything.
Today's just really helped me figure out that it can be fun and we use it in everyday life.
The show has had a positive impact in Britain, where maths is on the rise.
People finding like maths and physics and stuff a bit cooler. You know, they're sort of the rise of the nerds, if you like.
The show was organised by the Mathematical Association, concerned Australia is losing ground in science and technology.
There's a general sort of disinterest in the mathematics and wanting to take that to the next level.
One study shows student numbers in maths and science are the lowest in 20 years, yet jobs requiring these skills are rising fast. Anne Barker, ABC News.